Air Force One returns with a woven twist. Summit white graces this upper, and we have woven detailing for the mid panel and the toe box. These elements combine together with classic details such as the mini swoosh and an oval dubray. Let me know what you think of this one right here. Hello, and welcome to another episode of QuickSchopes. Today we have the Air Force One woven, and this pair is in Summit White. Summit White. Let me take this opportunity to ask you to like, leave your thoughts, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Yeah. Purchase links for these in the description. Stay tuned for the on foot. So yeah, let's start from the soles up. So we have a white on white outsole. We have a white on white midsole stitch, Nike Air and strip. And then we come to this upper. So this upper is composed of a Summit White nubuck and leather. And if we start from around the toe, you'll see that we have this Summit White nubuck around the toe, and we have this Summit White woven detailing on the toe box. Really interesting right here. The woven detailing features that Summit White nubuck, and it's the reverse of the nubuck, it seems, as well, woven in. Really cool. Good materials all around, feels very soft to the touch. Going up the shoe, you'll see more of this Summit White nubuck on the eye stay, and at the base of the eye stay we have a white mini swoosh. Above this we have an oval dubray. This dubray is in a pair of white laces to the thickness that I like. These white laces conceal a Summit White nubuck tongue, and at the top of this tongue you'll see that we have a dark red tongue tab with Nike detailing embroidered in Summit White. Taking a look at the mid portion of the shoe, you'll see that we have that woven goodness once again. This is in Summit White, and we have nubuck right there and the reverse of the nubuck. Really cool element right there. It's like a basket. And then we come to the swoosh. So the swoosh, similar to the eye stay and around the toe, is in that Summit White once again, that nubuck. Very nice and cool, smooth to the touch. This continues to the foxing, that nice Summit White nubuck. And then as we come to the heel of the shoe, it's again Summit White nubuck, and we have a cross stitch in that nubuck material. Taking a look inside the shoe, you'll see that we have a plush white sock liner, and for the insole it's in that dark team red color and white for the Nike Air detailing. Let me know what you think of this pair. For me, this is good. This one is good. I love the woven details on this pair. It looks really nice, subtle as well. It just goes with the flow of the shoe. It looks like a basket. It looks really nice because it's that Summit White color, similar to white, of course. You've seen the comparisons, numerous comparisons. It looks really cool, and it's the textures, it's the look of the material that's so good. Summit White, the reverse of the material as well, just woven in there. Yeah, very cool. I like that they've combined this on the toe box and on the mid panel as well. Yeah, it stands out, it looks nice, and of course those textures just shine through very nicely. The overall build of the shoe feels nice and quality. It feels soft in the hands, that nubuck detailing all over this upper, really good. It just feels good, and I like shoes that feel nice and lovely in the hands. The color blocking is pretty nice. I like that the Summit White is contrasting the white elements of this shoe. That midsole outsole combination just allows the upper to breathe. Very good. It just stands out, and as I said before, Summit White is different to white. As you can see, there is a stark difference right here, but it just works so nicely. The tongue tab and heel tab detailing, you know me, I always go back to the tongue tab and heel tabs. This time, look at them. The tongue tab is so different. It's a patch which is on the shoe rather than a tab of leather. It's different. It's in that team red, dark red, and the font of the Nike is different as well. It's that old school font, established in 72. Yeah, it gives those classic vibes right there. Then we come to the heel tab, where the heel is just a cross stitch of that nubuck material. Yeah, this is beautiful, lovely switch up. It's eye-catching. Both of these elements are eye-catching. It's not your usual. It makes you double take. I love things like this. Old school vibes continue on this pair when it comes to the dubray and the mini swoosh right there. Large mini swoosh, oval dubray. It feels like it's straight out of the noughties. And of course, the cut of that eye stay as well, that chevron, which I always mention on these classic pairs. Think of the Air Force One Premiums as well, which recently dropped. Yeah, really good elements right there. Just, you know, a throwback right there, which is so cool, so nice. When it comes to the laces, white laces in this pair, perfect. You could switch them out maybe to a Summit white lace just to continue with the upper color, because the white lace does stand out slightly, which I think is cool. It matches with the midsole outsole combination of this shoe, or something else. Or maybe you want to do a woven detail on here. Me personally, I think that's a little bit too much. I think the woven detail on the toe box and on the mid portion is enough, but of course, it's your shoes, you do what you like. Remember, only these white laces come with this one, so if you want to do a lace swap, you can do from your lace box. This pair fits like normal Air Force Ones. Compared to other shoes, go down half a size. Let's check these out on feet. With all that being said, a solid pair in my opinion. That's why I give these an 8 out of 10. This is good. This is nice, refreshing to see. I love the elements on this. I love the color, the feel of the shoe, and of course, that woven detailing right there. It just stands out, but it's tonal. It fits the shoe, and it reminds me of yesteryear with some of the other classic woven pairs as well. Let me know what you think of these and how do they compare to the 01 shape Air Force One. I've got to compare to this. This is an old school pair right here, old school reimagined. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. Remember, purchase links for these in the description and the 01 shape. Check out that review right here. Let me know your thoughts. I've been Schopes. Thank you everybody for subscribing, sharing your thoughts. It's always appreciated. Signing out. See ya.